them. But then you also have that angst from your sister saying, okay, I'm my own person, I need to be your friend. Where do you see your character go in season 2?
Oh man. Well, I feel like Jennifer is going to struggle still with the fact that she is a superhero and she doesn't want to be a superhero. And the problem is that she's so powerful, her cells are creating pure energy. And when she, well, let me not say that, I'm going to give too much away on that. But I'm just going to say that she's very powerful, so she still needs to learn how to control her powers. And that part she doesn't like. And she's like, on top of being given this curse, is the way that she sees it, now I don't know how to control it, which makes me a prisoner in my own house, you know? She's going to struggle with that, but not for too long, because we want to get her in the suit. You know, she won't be wanted all season.
Have you been able to see the suit yet, or try it on?
I have seen the suit. I have done a fitting, and I'll just say that it's very different than Thunder and Black Lightning. Very different.
So, I mean, we're going to see more of your character kind of cutting up during the season. Oh, you know. Well, I mean, outside of that, just, you know, you kind of like finding out when the painkiller can walk now, and it's like, I mean, yeah.
All of that. Yeah, and Khalil now is a series regular, so he's going to be around.
Okay.
And I don't know, Jennifer really, part of her hates him because he killed her father somewhat, you know. If she hadn't revived him, he'd be dead right now.
Yeah.
So she looks at it like, you killed my dad, I don't have time for you, you attacked the school, so go away. But deep in her heart, I feel like she still does. She still loves him, and they were friends before they started this whole relationship thing. So she still has strong feelings for him. And on top of that, Khalil does not know that Black Lightning is her father. He doesn't know she has superpowers. So all this underlying anger of hers, he doesn't know where it's coming from. So it's a complicated situation with that, but it'll be entertaining.
So since your character was hesitant about the powers, I feel like that was a more challenging role because it wasn't just like, I have this, let's go with it. Are you happy that that was in your show?
Yeah, I'm actually really happy because it would have been really boring if both the sisters had had the exact same reaction to getting powers, you know? They're both excited about it and who wants to watch that, the same reaction. So I'm really happy that it was different. It was a really nice contrast. Anissa being like super pumped about it and then Jennifer being like, what is this? I don't want this and I never asked for it, you know? So I'm happy I got to play that. I got to play some emotional sides of that, which to me, I love doing those scenes. It's kind of like therapy for me. So it was really cool being able to dive into that side of it because we don't often see that side of it. Yeah.
I was actually going to ask about that because there is a lot of family drama in there.
Yeah.
And it seems that you and Preston, actually everybody on the cast, seem to really dig into it. Do you love that? I think because like I said, do you love doing that?
I love doing that. I feel like if you can't dig deep into it, then what's the point?
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? If you don't feel it while you're filming it, you guys aren't going to feel anything when you're watching it. So I love the fact that first we're all so close as a cast because that really helps us to be able to live these moments out instead of acting them out. You know?
Because I mean, the part that we were both laughing at was like when you beat up the girls at the skating rink, and he's like, you beat up two girls?
There was 2 of them?
He's like, hey, Jeff, what are you doing? He's like, all right, cool.
Yeah, that part reminded me of my own dad. My dad would be like, well, what'd they do? It was 2 of them.
And that's what I noticed, and that's why I had to mention that. There is so much real, almost really, very relatable drama when it comes to within the family. I can really tell that you love it. That's it.
Thank you. I appreciate that. That's very, very sweet. Yes, I'm glad he saw that.
And I agree. My wife and I actually joked. We laughed out loud when they saw that scene. Like, that's what I would do too.
Really?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then we hit the nail on the head.
He had some serious scenes and some family dynamic issues, but the little subtle jokes that come in that lightens up a particular episode, they're perfect. Hopefully this season we'll see a little bit more of that. A couple little things, keep things a little bit off balance in a good way.
Oh, I can tell you right now, you definitely will.
Okay, great.
You definitely will. I'm not gonna say too much. I always always struggle with
Don't
that.
worry, we got recording. You can drop a couple spoilers. We'll hold on to it until
I
after
know,
the
right?
embargo.
Yeah, we won't tell anyone.
So
Yeah.
in the finale. No, I'm good. I'm
Hey,
good.
what color's the suit?
I know. Listen, don't even get me started on the suit.
Okay.
You're gonna love it. All y'all are gonna love it. It's very, very different.